I'm going to be showing you how to farm inner ways in Where Winds Meet. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So here's how to farm inner ways. So the first thing you need to do is understand what you're farming. So inner ways are passive combat abilities you equip to boost stats or give special effects you need. So inner way tomes are pages and notes and tips. So farming them means acquiring chests, buying pages from vendors, or earning notes from activities. So the best ways to get inner way tomes notes is through season shop chests. So every week the season shop sells inner way note chests. You just need to get some free jadefish and buy more once you reach the weekly jadefish cap. So each chest contains random inner way notes. So prioritize opening all available weekly chests as soon as possible before reset. So some activities like sword trials or joint battles each clearly gives inner way chests and one or more notes. You also have outposts and boss and wandering paths and multiplayer and firework events. So just spend your energy efficiently. Your energy is your main driver for chests, notes from trial and outpost content. So just use tip exchange to convert unwanted drops into useful ones and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.